Hey, seventh graders, here we are again today. Today should be Wednesday, and I'm going to have you do another practice using a dichotomous key to identify some funny looking creatures. This again will come into play when we are trying to identify trees later in the week. So we're going to look at number one. We have this little character right here. It's got 4 legs. And we're going to go down to the bottom here, and we always start at the top of the dichotomous key. We have 2 choices. Does it have 2 feet or some other number of feet? Back up to here, we have 4 feet, so it's some other number of feet, and that means go to 3. Does it have 1 leg? No. Does it have 3 or 4 legs? Yes, we go to 7. Does it have 3 legs? No. Does it have 4 legs? Yes, we go to 11. Does it have a duck bill and 2 pinchers, or no arms and no pinchers? No arms, no pinchers, so that means that we go to number 14. 14 says it's 3-toed, nose like a flower, or spider-like and has spots. I would say it's more spider-like and has spots, so number 1 is going to be the patterned mollywimpus. You would write that right here in number 1. Patterned mollywimpus. And then let's skip to number 11, and we'll try number 11 here. Again, we have this fly looking thing. We're going to jump back to number 1. Does it have 2 feet or some other number of feet? It has 2 feet. So then 2 says go to 2. Does it look human or not look like a human? I would say it does not look human. So we go to 4. Is it fly-like or non-fly-like? This is very fly-like, so number 2 would be mascara. Number 2 is mascara. So you would write mascara in number 2, or number 11, I'm sorry. Number 11. Okay, enjoy, have some fun. Should be very similar to yesterday, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.